Alright, we're back. So, let's grab this baby. 6 screws. Hook your wires up first. Also, you got this tip over sensor. It's going to mount right up here. Usually I just start here, put the tail light, just snaps right in there. That's the tail light. And get my Bazaz connector so it doesn't get that down in there so it's kind of not tension on it. All your other wires here. What do we got here? Stick that down in there. That's another wire that we hook up. Should have 3 more here. Yep, this one. Ow! That hurt. So we got tail light, brake light, two blinkers, and a license plate light. I guess that's how that would work. Now, I take this sensor off, just like that, and I think that wire needs to run through here. The rest of these wires, these plugs, you want to shove them down inside this rubber boot. Oh, I forgot. These pop pin tabs underneath, you gotta slip them in first. Come on. There, got that one in, got that one in. There we go. See how that slips in there? And then why doesn't that, my clips want to go in there? I guess I gotta flip them over. There we go. I know they fit in there. There we go. Makes it look nice and neat in there. All those wires are in that little rubber boot. Also, this wire, get that on that side as well. There. Power wire for the Bazaz. What am I missing? I think, yeah, this cable, getting it exactly where you want it. Shouldn't be in the tool section there. There's a little, kind of a little groove for the wire harness to go into. And once you get it kind of all tucked up in there, right, it kind of just about stay there by itself. Start a couple of screws to hold it in place. Why isn't it? Ah, there it goes. Got those started. The little white ones, little silver ones go down here. Yeah, that should all look really nice and neat when you get it in there, right? Oh, you know what though? That wire should... That's my Bazaz power wire. I want to run it down the same channel as the other wires. Yeah, looks pretty good. So we need a 5mm and a 4mm. Right here. 4mm. The little silver ones. 5mm. The black on the black screws. Four black ones. Go back to the 4mm for the little silver one. Now, okay, those are 6 screws. Then you got 2 pop pins. Where are those at? Oh, what did I do with them? Oh, you know what? Remember, I pulled them out of here. What did I do with those pop pins? Oh, here they are. Reset those, push them back in the little doober. Nice and flush. Those are flush. Okay. Got these 2 little side panels here. One screw and 1 pop pin. Pop pin and screw. Before I put that on though, let's put the bracket back together for the seat latch. And for this. So says up on there. Oops, oh, that was pretty cool. Put those 3 there. Stick them in the holes. Put the nuts back on. Tighten that down. These are mounted in rubber, so they don't actually get... The thing is, so it's a shock mount. So it's still, you can see it's really loose and wobbly. It's supposed to be that way. We'll get a number 3 screwdriver here for this top piece, which is our latch, pull them screws out. So I pop that out of there. You put this little cable through. You put that in the slot. Stick it back in the slot here. Ah, you know what? I screwed up. Gotta lock it in the little slot right here. There. See how that latches in there? Now you stick it back in there, and this just bolts right down. Tighten this a little at a time, and you wiggle it, and it'll kind of fit into place. Yeah, you can feel it lock in there. Give this a good tighten, just like that. And that's pretty much done. Now, if you routed this cable right, it should just plug in here. Just like that. That's it. We'll get the side dealios. We were going to do that before. Let's see. What am I doing? Yeah, that's right. One screw up front, one push pin in the back, and Bob's your uncle. Same with this side. It's got these little, kind of just fit them in the slots there, and they kind of fit in the slots. Reset your little pin. Stick it in the hole. Flush. Got that. Let's go with the seat. Put the seat in. Pretty simple. 10mm bolts. You know what? Hold on a second. Before I put that seat on, I have a USB cord I want to run through there. I mean, not a USB, but a power cord. What am I thinking? This guy right here. Yeah. Run him up under here. Almost forgot it. There. And you know what else I like to do? Put in my tool pouch now. Might as well get that done. just like that. Put my paperwork in here. USB cable right, or no, power cable right there. Now I can put the seat on. Tighten those down. Tighten down. All right. These don't use actual flat washers. I put them on not to scratch my race bearings, so I don't know why. But they didn't come with them on there, so I take them off and put them back in my little holder. Now this just has these slots. See, there are these hooks. You put it on and you just slide it forward, basically. Get it in there, and then it's just locks in that way. And then the screw hole should line up. You got it slid in there, right? And then really all you got left's the seat. I got the foot pegs, passenger foot pegs. Oh. Hate it when I do that, especially when you drop it down inside there after you get everything put together. You gotta tear it all apart again. Tail section. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this little doober on here too.
And why stop what you're doing to find a bathroom? With Cialis for Daily, you shouldn't have to plan around either. It's the only daily tablet approved to treat erectile dysfunction, so you can be ready anytime the moment is right. Plus, Cialis treats the frustrating urinary symptoms of BPH, like needing to go frequently, day or night. Tell your doctor about all your medical conditions and medicines, and ask if your heart is healthy enough for sex. Do not take Cialis or you take nitrates for chest pain, as it may cause an unsafe drop in blood pressure. Do not take alcohol to excess. Side effects may include headache, upset stomach, delayed backache, or muscle. To avoid long-term injury, get medical help right away with an erection lasting more than 4 hours. If you have any sudden decrease or loss in hearing or vision, or any symptoms of allergic reaction, stop taking Cialis and get medical help right away. Why pause the moment? Ask your doctor about Cialis for daily use. For a free 30-tablet trial, go to Cialis.com. Mark People Channel is on Sirius XM. Listen live on channel 114 now.
Breaking tonight, rescuers will resume their search in just a few hours for any survivors of a jetliner crash in the French.
I don't think there's going to be any survivors in that crash, unfortunately.
150 people on board, all accused dead.
Okay. Slip that in there. And that's it. That thing's on there tight. Give it a little wipe. Okay, what do we got left? I think just foot pegs. So, what size are those? Right there. I always stick these screws back in after I pull them. Keeps the threads clean.
pilots. It's called fly by wire, meaning instead of pilots flying the aircraft, they're telling the computer how to fly the aircraft.
Got these nifty saddlebags. This is this mount that goes under the foot peg. Get in there. Come on. Just want to get you started. There we go. Ooh. Wipe any dirt off. What the heck am I thinking? There we go. My clamps plug in there for the saddlebags. Dirt. Get the dirt out. There we go.
They've been flouting their own rules and arguably the law to get them out of the State Department in the first place.
Oh shit. That wasn't very smart. Hope that's not a scratch. Go. Hope that's not a scratch. Come on. Oh yeah, it was just a dirt. Alright, good. Thought I scratched it for a second. Don't like scratches. Okay, well, I think that's it. It's all back to street mode, except for the tires. I'm going to do that in the next video, so I'll shut this down, I'll fire it back up, and we'll get these wheels off and change tires out. If I can find some. Oh, where would I find any tires? Huh. Wow, I don't want to put those on. Those are for Arkansas. I got some around here somewhere. Anyway, shut it off and do it again. Later.